Are you tired of dealing with underinflated tires or long waits at the gas station for air? What if there was a quick and easy way to keep your tires in perfect shape anytime, anywhere? Let's take a closer look at GSPSCN 202 Silver Tire Inflator for heavy-duty double cylinders and see how it could be your ultimate road trip companion. About the product. GSPSCN Heavy Duty. Double cylinder design, maximum pressure 150 psi, airflow 70 liters per minute, inflates standard vehicle tire in 1.5 minutes, 200/70/R18, 0 to 40 psi. Rubber feet to make sure the 12-volt air pump stays where it is placed and does not move around during operation. In the direct drive of the motor, the two cylinders at the same time compressed air, powerful and fast inflatable. Direct drive motor makes the drive low rotating speed, high efficiency, compact, quiet, stability, and easy to control. Particularly suitable for SUVs, trucks, vans, RVs, crossovers, MPVs, campers, auto, trailers, and minivans. Also can use for cars, motorcycles, golf carts, bicycles, and more. During your car trip, carry our GSPSCN Little Air Compressor, which is easy to use and keep your tires in good condition. Package includes parts description. Using method. Ensure you have the GSPSCN 202 Silver Tire Inflator, power cord, and required nozzles. Securely connect the pump to your car's 12-volt outlet to ensure a strong connection.
Before starting, your car engine should be in the run position.
Unscrew the cap on your tire's valve stem. Securely attach the air hose nozzle to the valve stem. Rotate the air hose in a clockwise direction for a tight grip. Press the power button to start the inflation. The gauge on the compressor shows the tire pressure. Once it reaches the required pressure, turn the compressor off. Unscrew the nozzle and replace the valve stem cap. Enjoy your journey with confidence and ease. If you are interested in picking up GSPSCN 202 Silver Tire Inflator, I've got you covered. Just check out the link in the description below to grab it on Amazon. Features. Specifications. Warnings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.